Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a white cheese pizza. Now, the dough that we're using is a standard dough. I've given the recipe a million times. I'll link a video that shows you how to make it in the description below. But, as you can see here, I'm spreading some olive oil all over my pizza bread, followed by some garlic that we're going to spread all over the dough. And then we're going to spread some ricotta cheese on our dough. Again, this is kind of sticky, so. And then we got to add a buttload of mozzarella cheese. And once we have added sufficient amounts of cheese, we're going to pop this into a 550-degree oven for 9 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the cheese is nice, bubbly, and melty, and also has just a bit of browning on it. And after 9 minutes, this is what you should be left with. So the only thing really left to do is to grab a pizza cutter and start cutting this pie up. So that's a white cheese pizza. Done. And this pizza was absolutely delicious. And if it's kind of your first time making pizza at home, this is a good starter recipe as well.